This is the outing for the day, the Great Smoky Mountain Railroad out of Bryson City, North Carolina. This is quite the elaborate setup, isn't it?
The train went right by it.
Yeah.
It did.
Yeah.
I was like, my father-in-law warned us, he said, "Well, better wait for the train when you're out west." And we
Yeah. For like thousands of miles, we couldn't get away from the train track. Quite the village setup here. Freight yard, everything. Probably the most elaborate train setup I've ever seen. Comes another one. A lot of detail. The guy welding on that train inside there. They've got a drive-in setup over here. Showing an old western. Big Cove. By the school, they're always working on that. The gas station. Texaco station. Comes another one. Urkel car?
Yeah, remember Urkel?
Yeah.
Didn't make the tour used to drive.
Yeah.
It says on the back something that I can't read.
Probably says Urkel. Corey said that's an Urkel car. I like that drive-in. That's pretty cool.
Oh, I didn't even notice that. That is cool.
Got a flat screen TV in there and everything. Oh yeah, look at the detail in that school. Here comes one coming through the yard. Keep noticing more stuff here. The old diner. It's even got stuff, people inside of it. The old Texaco truck. Got some cars from different vintages here. It's like a newer Mustang convertible. Then you got all older cars.
Yeah, you got the Fox Body LX.
You have Doritos Lay's truck over here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, they even got the Lake Placid alligator in here. That's that hardy alligator that can withstand 40 below zero winters. I guess when you're that big, they don't bother you.
Yeah. Water wheel.
Oh yeah. This poor guy, he's working all by himself putting that big roof on. He's got his work cut out for him.
Those are awfully big planks also. Bigger than his foot.
This will show you the framing and stuff going up. All wooden frame. And then the skin goes on it. Here we are, taking off. Yeah.
Wonderful.
Sounds like they need a little grease. Just taking off. Get this baby rolling. There's the brewery. Watching down through here, you feel like you're drunk. Look at that other car moving. That's pretty cool. Look at this. Whoa. Oh my Whoa.
That looks old.
Yeah. You think? Hasn't seen a spot of paint in 100 years. Whoa.
Did you?
Did you?
Yeah, it was awesome. Swanee River.
Located in the middle of the train.
Everybody's backyards. Beautiful day. Empty tickets. I thought this was kind of interesting. They got like a regular toilet in the train that's got this much water in the bowl. It sloshes all over the place because it's so rough. Oh, calming down. Must be getting smoother outside. Look at the rock cuts. Beautiful rock. Then you got the river on the other side. Look at the houseboats on Fontana Lake.
Man, you can go fishing every day.
What a view. So, Christina,
So,
are you enjoying the train trip so far?
absolutely.
All right, glad to hear it.
I mean, like this, it looks like nobody stays there.
Yeah. There's your traditional houseboat out there.
Yeah.
Man, look at that.
What a spot, huh?
Yeah, amazing.
Oh yeah, that's nice. Look at them all out there. Surprised there's not one right here. Look at that, that's got a walkway, a bridge to it. Beautiful or what? Look at this spot. Look how green everything is. Beautiful. There we go for another bridge. Fontana Lake. Look off this side. Wow, that's a big place over there.
The place up on the hill.
Yeah, bunch of places on the hill. Before he die, ladies and gentlemen. I think this is the first one we've been under. It's underneath the road. That's that road we were on, must be, when we were over here, remember? We turned around and we to check out the other
So it
houseboat.
would have been right around here that we checked out. It's probably down in there.
Yeah,
we saw
on the
those.
other side.
Yep.
Almond. Yeah, I'll take a bag.
General Lee.
General Lee.
Oh,
Oh, that's not looking so good.
man.
There's a nice fifth wheel for you, Corey.
Yeah, that's perfect.
I think I saw one like that on Hoarders last night.
That fixed that up right there.
Let's take a little video and show the cars. Just creeping around this corner.
For a little while, and
And I'm going to do a song right here, and then I'm going to go do a song on the other end so you guys down there can hear me just as well. But if you want to sing along, please do. If you want to clap, clap. If you want to dance, stand up. The train will do all the work for you, I promise you that. If you have something you want to hear, feel free to shout it out. If I don't know it, I'll make it up. I like Beyonce just as well as Journey and Bluegrass, so anything works, guys. Do something Johnny Cash, baby. Well, I hear the train coming, it's coming around bend. Ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. Well, I'm stuck in Folsom Prison. Time is dragging on. I can hear the whistle blowing on down the sand.
Way close. Whoa! Man, is that close? I don't even dare put the camera out. That is close back there. You be careful, you'll pull out a dreadlock.
Oh, right?
Going by a big old gravel pit. Look at all the different grades of material they put out here. The real coarse stuff, that's like powder over that way. Wow, look how coarse this stuff is. You get to see a little bit of everything on this train trip. There, the train is passing us. Then it's going to hook onto us. We're going to change directions. It's cool. Getting ready to hitch up, changing directions. We were in the back, now we're going to be in the front. The mountains. Yeah. Yeah. Mountains just go straight up right here. I'll tell you after. Tell me this doesn't look cool. Whitewater part right here. That does look like fun.
Oh, look at the dog. He wants to go in.
Neat. I hope we go down through this spot. That's some real whitewater right there.
I don't see any racks on this.
What do you think of that spot?
It's really pretty from the train.
Add-on, or this is where you would come if you just want to buy something extra, like a pretzel or a hot dog or a barbecue sandwich or popcorn or boiled peanuts, or there's all kinds of fudge, all kinds of different things that you would be able to have here. Right here are our owners, Al and Carol Harper. They're here watching over us all the time, so we want to remind ourselves, oh yeah, we're doing this for you, Al. And then of course we have all our other photos and such. But you can either stay here and eat your snack. I highly recommend it if you're in coach class and you're getting a little warm to come in here and get the air conditioning. This is also where we make all of our announcements in sound. So whenever you hear the ominous voiceover, this is where it's coming from for the conductors and everything here. The closed windows, stuff like that. So it's a little bit nicer. Also, you can tell that it is going to be assigned seating in here. And so when you're booking a reservation online, take a look at that the quad starts at the end in these cars most of the time. But if you start at that end, see there's only 2 seats. that starts. It's not a quad. So you have to be really mindful when you book people that you don't book this quad, because that causes quite a pickle. You can tell when you book 2 children over there and 2 adults over here, it can really create a situation. So, yes. So this is another first class car. This is called the Carolina Shine. And this car is going to be our Moonshine experience car on a typical run for us. Of course, we don't serve any sort of moonshine on certain excursions. So like today, I think it's a family first class car. Or we don't serve moonshine on certain Sunday excursions because North Carolina prevents us from serving alcohol before noon on Sundays. And then, you know, Polar Express kind of frowns upon serving moonshine on the train, even though people would probably want it with all their chitlins. So, but you can see all the different moonshine. You get 7 different samplings of Midnight Moon moonshine in this car, and this is actually a higher price point for this car as well. You can see all the
That is so cool. Ouch. I don't know about the landing. It kind of That's great. And it never, the wire never releases until you get back in the deck.
That's pretty cool.
It's a lot of fun.
I'd like to do this without the rope.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That'd be fun.
Yeah, this looks like fun.
Look at these guys. Giant swing.
The zipline adventure park or mountain zipline.
Giant jungle gym, first one in the country. Isn't even open yet. Thinking they're gonna open this weekend. Be 40 to 60 people in that thing. That'll be crazy.
Hey, look inside from the Duck Dynasty.
You tell Rick they're looking for a few good pirates to work with this thing.
He told you what he was being.